This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Central Festival Chiang Mai, and today we're gonna check out Xiaomi SU7. This is the beast from the east, the real beast. Sorry, there's a bit of noise here. There's a guy doing a sound test, but this thing here, we see it now in the east first before we see it in Europe. Now you guys start to understand why I come to Thailand. So yeah, there is an ultra version that has 1,500 horsepower. I don't think this is the one, is it? But I'm here early, so let's check it out. Oh, okay. Let me see. I'm looking for frunk. Let me get in here. Let me check. Is that soft close? Oh yeah. Interior is actually really nice. Wait, please do not touch control screen. Okay, we cannot touch the control screen, all right. There are people watching just to see that we are not messing with the car. So let's see, wireless charging pad with cooling, but only on one side. The other side is just a dummy. Why? I mean, yeah, in case you don't want to charge your car there. So yeah, we have some controls here. Starts a button there. We have the bridge sign there. Let me see, I have to check if we have, okay, there's 12-volt outlet there. And then I'm trying to figure out what this is. This is the first time I'm able to see this car. So I have no idea what to expect. There's a hole there. Had this weird hole where you can put stuff there. Plus the center here, of course. But I haven't figured out if we can open the, please do not touch, okay, yeah, they don't want us to touch the center screen. So we just poke around here. We have this center console. Yeah, you could possibly put something there. It's not that big, probably because HVAC runs there in the middle here. So yeah, okay, let me close the door again. Yeah, dry mode here and some other buttons. Let me see. Okay, this is just a push button, and this is push and twist. Yeah, okay, it's Chinese. Okay, they haven't ported to Thailand or anything like that, but it might come to Thailand. You know, just based on the feel on things. It actually has good feel on things. It doesn't sound and feel cheap. Yeah. All right, let me check also, well, can I adjust the seat? Yeah, I can, okay. Now, as usual, I would go in the lowest position. Let me see how low, yeah, like this. And then we check the headroom. Okay, over a fist the headroom. Glass roof all the way there. Well, huh? The detail on things. Just, you know, the handle over each door has this kind of finish. Wow, okay. Because I was expecting, okay, is this just some kind of cheap Chinese rip-off of Taycan? Well, it doesn't seem like it. Okay, let me go out and check out the I have to hurry before the other guys arrive. So it seems to have GBT. Okay, yeah, they have GBT port, so it's just the Chinese version. And then this is they have a Type 2 conversion thing because they use the wrong gender there. So we check in the back. Okay, let me see. Did I adjust correctly? I have to adjust myself. This, yeah, NFC reader there, camera there. Let's see if I adjust so that I would sit roughly, not sure how much. Okay, usually what I do is that I get in here, try to reach the pedal, adjust all the way there, roughly there. I'm still 173 centimeters. And then we go to the back, and then we see how much leg room we have here. Fairly flat seats. I like the Isofix openings here. We have a center console here. Cup holder there. Doesn't seem to have a ski opening. But let's see now. Oh, the seat seems really low. You can kind of see it here. What is that? They use their own Xiaomi speakers, right? But yeah, this is what you have to expect. Let's see. So let me explain. If I close the door here, do we also have the soft close here? Yeah. You don't have that much height. Yeah, that's just how it is. You have two USB-C there, a center room here, something. No pocket here. What is this? Oh, okay, I think it's a tablet holder. Nice interior overall. Yeah, look at this. Huh? The details. Okay, you can hang your coat there. It seems to be a speaker there. Quite flat floor, okay. Let me see, what about headroom here? Oh, okay. There's, you see, we're talking about 1 or 2 finger of headroom here. How is it in a fat Taycan? I don't remember. Here, I'm just rubbing into again, barely just 1 there. So, yeah, this can be adjusted up and down. But overall, nice seats, perforated seats. Okay, this is SU7 Max, so this is the all-wheel drive. There's also a rear-wheel drive and of course the performance version. Okay, you see, I saw the taillight there. Yeah, look at that, okay. You see the taillight briefly when you open and close it. So if I do this, you can see the taillight. Yeah, that's the continuous taillight. This design, do you like it or? Yeah, okay. But all right, and then in the trunk here, we have a fairly deep trunk, but it's that Model 3 or whatever sedan opening. So it's not that big opening unlike an ID7. But it probably doesn't compete against ID7 anyway. We have 112-watt outlet there. We have a little storage there. We have a hook. Oh, sorry, focus problem. Hook there. This is just bare metal, but seems to be a subwoofer there. And then not sure what is there because it's only on that side, but not on the other side. And then here we have a lid that reveals plenty of more space. Wow, impressive. If you take out this, look at that. So you can put some luggage here or maybe some cables, or you could just put it in the front also. Very nice, okay. And then just close here.
As necessary, true intelligent life.
And that's it. Okay, one of the guys is gonna pop the frunk. He probably knows Chinese or he knows where to press. Let's see. Ooh, a nice front. You know, you can definitely fit 1 banana box here. Maybe even 2. This is quite large compared to, for example, Tesla Model 3. Model 3 doesn't have that long and that wide. So this is a very nice frunk. Oh, look here. It says, wow, 21,000 RPM, 495 kilowatt, and then 838 Newton meters. This is some impressive numbers. But what is? Oh, okay. Let's check here. Washer fluid goes there. Yeah, that is nice and slick. I like it. But when it comes to the brakes, yeah, I don't know if you guys heard about it. Many Chinese people, they went tracking with it, with probably the Ultra version, but the brakes are not good. They fade, and many of them ended up in a ditch. And when they open up the brake here, the caliper is quite big, but the pad is small. Sounds to me like MG4 X-Power or whatever it's called. But yeah, I think I covered pretty much everything. It has this, I would say, Neo style, the bulk in there. That kind of ruins a little bit of the aesthetics because otherwise the car looks just super slick. Wow. So that was it, just the first impression. We are not able to test this car yet. They have it on a tour around Thailand and we can at least sit in it. But this is the last day now, 8th of December. So hopefully we see this in Europe. If there's one Chinese car I would like to see coming to Europe, should be the Xiaomi, yeah. But will it ever arrive? We don't know. But what do you guys think? Yeah? Many of you guys are actually interested in this. I think it actually looks and feels nice compared to some of the other Chinese cars I've tried in that was at the Expo. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.